Hello friends, DSP Mutual Fund has recently launched a new fund and the name of fund is DSP Global Innovation Fund of Fund. Before checking the details of this fund, let's first of all understand two concepts. One is what is fund of fund and secondly what is global or international fund. Fund of fund means where investor invests into one mutual fund scheme and that mutual fund scheme is not directly investing into the shares and securities of the companies, but it invests into one or more other mutual fund schemes. Let's take the example of this scheme. DSP Global Innovation Fund of Fund is investing into 6 different types of international funds. Out of that, one fund is BGF World Technology Fund. So if I am investing 100 rupees into this DSP Global Innovation Fund, out of that around 20 rupees will go to BGF World Technology Fund and BGF will finally invest into different companies, and currently BGF is having Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, Alphabet, Marvel, these kind of companies in its portfolio. I am sure now you must have understood what is fund of fund. Simply, I am investing into one fund, that fund of fund is investing in another fund, and finally the target fund will invest into the shares and securities. Now what is global or international fund? See, we are living in India. However, we are consuming many goods or services which are manufactured outside India and these companies are listed outside India. To give an example, we are using iPhones from Apple, Amazon, Netflix. These things we are consuming on a daily basis in India. However, all these companies are originated outside India and these are listed outside India. So if I want to invest into these kind of companies, either I have to buy stocks of these companies or simple way to invest into these companies is to invest in some international fund. Now let's check what is DSP Global Innovation Fund of Fund. Basically, DSP has identified that we are into IT and technological revolution and there are many innovations, disruptors and enablers in this space where we can actually see a massive growth potential going forward. To give few examples of this IT revolution themes are electric vehicles, 5G or some innovations in pharmaceuticals, robotics, artificial intelligence, blockchain technologies. So these are innovative themes going ahead and in future we can see a massive change because of all these technologies. So to get the advantage of these things, DSP Global Innovation Fund of Fund has been launched and it will invest into 6 different international funds. The weight of each fund is between 15 to 20%. As I said, the idea is to grab the opportunity of investing into the companies which are disruptors, enablers and which are looking into the innovative part. So up till now we have understood what is fund of fund, what is international fund and what is DSP Global Innovation Fund of Fund. Now the last question in your mind must be whether to invest into this fund or not. Obviously, international funds gives us diversification in our portfolio. We have seen in past also that Indian equity market and international equity market has less correlation. So by investing into international portfolio, definitely we can reduce the volatility and get more diversification in our portfolio. That is one advantage. Secondly, we have seen that because of interest rate parity, Indian rupee keeps on depreciating, so we can get the advantage of currency depreciation. That is second thing. However, these innovative themes may be more volatile and may take longer time period to create wealth for us, and therefore it is advisable that we should have at least a time horizon of 7 to 10 years while investing into these kind of innovative themes. Also, as the volatility may be higher, instead of investing in lump sum, it is advisable to invest via SIP route so that we can get the benefit of this fund over a long period of time with less volatility. Thank you.